This is a follow-up to my most successful video, which is using a potato peeler as a wire stripper. And a few people have talked, sort of said, yeah, it might be easy on these. How do you go on multi-cores? We'll show you. One side, turn it around, other side. That's easy as that. So the potato peeler is really good. These braided wires, like multi-strand, they're a little bit tougher, but they're not too bad. So we'll do another one just to make sure you know it's not a fluke. Fair bit of pressure down. As easy as that. Pull your wires out. Done. And then these, you need somewhere that's a little bit more solid, not soft, but same thing. One side. Oops, that's my fault. Pop the wire out. Yeah. Done. Easy. You don't have to go out and buy a $100 wire stripper. One of those works fine. Don't use the serrated edge, just the sharp edge. Alright, that's all. Hooroo!